Hello, and welcome to Technic-Force Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to easily download and install the Articalize Chrome extension. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for articalize.in. Here, you can navigate to the Articalize login window. Enter your credentials and click on Login. Once logged into your Articalize account, from the dashboard section, click on the Get Chrome Extension option to download the Chrome extension easily, and click on Download Chrome Extension for download. After downloading, open File Explorer and navigate to the Download section to locate downloaded file. Select the downloaded file, right-click on it, and choose Extract All to extract the files. Click Extract. Open Google Chrome, type Chrome://extensions in the address bar, then press Enter to open the extensions page. At the top right corner, you'll see the Developer Mode toggle. Click it to turn it on. After turning on Developer Mode, new options will appear: Load Unpacked, Pack Extension, and Update. Click on Load Unpacked, then select your extracted folder to load the Articalize extension and start using it. Here, you can see that the Articalize Chrome extension has been loaded successfully and is now ready to use. After loading the extension, you will see the extensions icon at the top right corner of Chrome. Click on it and pin the Articalize extension for easy access. Now, open a new tab and let me show you how to use Articalize and how to select a post with a quick example. For instance, open your X account and select a post as an example. Then click on the Articalize Chrome extension and select Select Post to proceed. After that, a new option will appear on the screen, allowing you to start selecting the text from a post. Click on Start Selection, then choose the text you want to use. After selecting the text, click Finish Selection to confirm your choice. You will then see two options: Reselect if you want to change your selection, or Proceed to Articalize for confirm and move forward. Now I am selecting Proceed to continue. Here you can see your selected text displayed in Articalize. If you're unfamiliar with the Writer section, please check out our tutorial on that topic. Open a new tab, then open any website where you want to select text for the article to demonstrate a different example. Click on Select Product Details to start selecting the text, then click on Start Selecting to begin the process. Once you've selected the text, click on Proceed to confirm your selection. Here, you can see your selected text displayed in the Articalize Writer section, ready to be transformed into an article. If you're unfamiliar with the Writer section, check out our Writer section tutorial for more details. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.